Okay, we are back, ladies and gentlemen, and guess what?
We made it in the talent show.
Yes, we made it for a song that we just made and performed in front of those people, the judges, and we made it.
And just so you guys can see, so you guys know what our line, it is 5:55, and just after, because it was 5 to 6, just after the talent show auditions.
And we made it. So,
yes,
okay, so the performance is coming up soon. If y'all want more information, look up The Finest in Lemonade, okay? Or go to our website, you know, The Finest in Lemonade on Facebook. Or you can hit us up on email, thefinestinlemonade@gmail.com.
Yes. The show will be November 18th. Tickets are $3. If you were around the 209 area, it is at San Joaquin Delta College. Come and support your fellow artists, your fellow talented people, and come have a good time. Only $3.
Yes. And we about to post a song that we made up real soon, so check that out, everybody, all right?
So,
we out.
Going? On 3. 1, 2, 3.